Tell us about something you love that people don't expect. Tell us about something you love that people don't expect. Okay?
Hi, good evening, everyone. Actually, I've mentioned a while ago that I'm an educator. And I think this kind of profession that I have will be considered the most not highest paying job in the world. But for me, as an educator, the realization that at the end of the day, I was able to touch minds, teach hearts, and transform the lives of my students makes it all worth it. So maybe that's the thing also, that I can use my skills, I can share the knowledge that I have, and at the same time, it's also like a way on how I can find my purpose of the purpose of my life. So I think being an educator is something that I will really love to do, even if I became a beggar, because I'm also spending money out from my own pocket just to give some rewards, gifts to my students, because I'm always looking for their happiness in the simplicity of the things that I give to them. So being a teacher is not only a profession, and it's not only looking for the job contract that I have, the responsibility to teach people, but also finding the real happiness and also the real love that I really want to feel, that I really want to receive to other people, especially from my learners. So I think as we choose to live, love, and love, we also need to luxuriate the moment of peace and gratitude, and also finding the purpose of our life. Thank you.